What's going on, everybody? Today's going to be another fun day because guess what? We have neglected a car for about, I'm going to say about 3 weeks to a month. Right now, we haven't done anything on the Triumph in the last about 3 weeks, give or take, when we decided to pull out all the differential and the leaf spring. We found it was broken. It is at the spring shop getting repaired. Hopefully they have it done today because it's been like over 3 weeks. And I just want to get everything ready to go, so this will all be slapped back in. We'll check the brakes out, but we're going to be working on this thing today. What we'll be doing is we are going to take the differential and get it cleaned up, because considering how freaking nasty this is, we're going to pull it apart, check all the bearings inside, make sure they're all copacetic, whatever else, get it all cleaned up, make sure we don't need to get any bearings or anything for it, and then slap it back together. Probably give it a nice little cleaning job, because we got access to our parts washer, which we'll have to get some fluid, and that's what we're going to be pretty much doing today. So here's the diff all pulled out, and you can see I did clean off. Just check it out, we're dropping it, but look at this. That's like gross. And look at that. So we're going to be sitting here for a minute trying to clean this up. So well, here's the diff. This thing is freaking small, but we're going through. We actually had to take out everything, even the freaking outside drives, front spline, the front panel, the holds the front bracket on, and there's the rear casing right here. But look into it, I'm not seeing any metal shavings or anything. It's actually pretty freaking clean. Kind of interesting, because maybe someone said it was making like a whiny sound anyway. Holy crap. Just by cleaning that out, look at that garbage is in there. That's gross. Anyway, we're going to be going through all this anyway. Check all the bearings out. Yeah, I'll put shafts here, whatever you want to call these things. Clean them out. I got to figure out what the specs are on these bolts, what the torque is, and the lashings on this guy here. So if we do take this apart to clean, we're gonna check out these front bearings that are inside here, then we can actually put it back together. So right now I gotta go do some little bit of research and figure out what that is. Plus I just ordered some carb cleaner, some brake parts cleaner, and some degreaser stuff for our little machine over there, so hopefully they get here soon. Well, let's just say it's in here, and we're going to get scrubbing on this casing here. Get it cleaned out. We got some degreaser in here, some water. We'll put it down to 4 to 1. So 2 gallons of degreaser to 2.5 gallons of water. But we're just gonna sit here and try to clean up what we got left and see if this actually turns out. Alright, well this is out of the parts washer. It is like clean. So we didn't really do much to the inside because obviously, there's no dirt on it. So next we're going to be doing that one. I gotta go run in and get some lunch. Get some other stuff right now, so we'll be back out and probably a little later. What up guys? We are back. We had to go get some parts, some cleaner stuff for our Diff. We are back now. We finished scraping this down. I didn't bore you with that details, but we got the wire brush out, clean this up. This one's been in the parts washer. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this back on to this assembly. We're also gonna put back on this guy. Get it back on. We had to order a seal from online for the front of this thing because the seal is toast. So we had to order that. It should be here within about a week or so, which kind of sucks, but we gotta get this thing back together. So we're gonna put this back together, put that in, and when that seal gets here, we'll just have to climb underneath it and pop that old one out and put it new in. It's pretty easy. Alright guys, look at that. She is all back together. Ready to go. Right now we're gonna let all the gasket maker dry up before we snug all these up and put them down the specs. Then with these guys here, we gotta take this back up, so I'm not worried about this. We gotta fix that front seal when it comes in. It's all back together and clean. Well, after it dries up, we're gonna close these down the specs, which is not gonna do right now, and then we've also got the front bracket from the support out here. She's all done and she's looking good. I mean, look at that. Sanded it, primed it, painted it. Did bore you guys with that too much. And then one last thing that we did get back from the shop too, they dropped off today. Oh yeah, look at that. There's the leaf spring. So if you remember from our video with the main support leaf, it was actually broken right here. So the shop took it and they basically forged and steeled, a new main support in for me. Got it all done, which I couldn't do. They put new bolts and containers in these things. Got it all set up and ready to go. So all I do is put this plate on, stick it back on top of the diff. Get it going, but we're gonna clean this up because it's like disgusting. So we're probably gonna like take it apart again. It's really easy, just remove these bolts, probably take it all apart, get all these down, paint them, make them look good, and go from there. Other than that, hope you guys liked this video. Please like it, share it, comment, all that fun stuff. If you want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more. We will talk to you guys later in the next clip. Bye.